everybody, how are you? I'm back to do 2 more cards. Hope you're enjoying this little series. I try to keep it simple, try to keep it fun. I hope you like it. So these are going to be the same exact cards, but done 2 ways. This is the easy way, this is the harder way. This is the easy way. This can be done for anyone. You cut this out, you print this out, and you cut this out. This one, if you do not own a Cricut, you fussy cut this. If you own a Cricut, the file will be linked down below. Grab that file and cut it out. Now, you could cut it out as a printing cut, or you could change them all to different colors, unflatten them, and cut them out in your favorite colors. You don't need to use my colors. So here we go. We're going to do 2 different ways. We're going to start with this one because, like I said, that's the easy one. So we're going to take our 8.5 by 11 that we cut and cut it in half, and we already did that. So let's fold this in half to make our card. So here's our base. Ta-da! That was easy. Yay! And then we're going to take our cutting board, and on this here one, the outline of the actual picture is what we're cutting on. And it's going to become an A2. So line your cutter up perfectly on your colors, and we're just cutting on the lines of the colors. Leave that up there. Lining that up. Yay! Hope everybody's having a good day. These are just 2 kind of simple cards. Look at that. So cute, right? And I think this one, I'm just going to raise it up on dimensionals. In fact, you know what we're going to do? I'm going to grab my corner punches. Hold on. I don't think I'm going to do, I think I'm going to do a scalloped edge. Yep, I'm going to give it a pretty little scalloped edge. Right? But now I think what I want to do also is I just want to bring in some, I don't know, a bow, a ribbon, a flower. Oh, that works. Look at how cute that works. Yep. Ta-da! Can you see that? The greens match, the blues match. Loving it. And then if we really wanted to, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's change this baby up just a little. And you could do this any way you want. But I think we're going to give it a border. What do we have to lose, right? I don't want to cut that S off. So I'm basically going to go right up to that S. And you know what? If I ruined it, we could just make a new one. Just print out a new one. Just trimming it up just a little. I want you to see what my measurement is. Dropping things. All right, so if it's supposed to be 4 1/4, it should really be about 4 by 5 1/4. Just to give us a border. A nice little Flying by the seat of my pants again. And then look at that. Now I don't know if I want to do a corner punch. Oh, sorry. I think I want to raise it up on dimensionals. Oh yeah, dimensional time. These, I realized today, I said in one of my videos, I couldn't remember where I got it from. And then I was watching a haul. These are Dollar Tree. These are Dollar Tree stickers. Dimensionals. So I have it in the pre-cut. See how it's cut? And then I buy it in the non-pre-cut. So Dollar Tree. Gotta love it. So we need 4. Yay, I'm so happy with this. It's amazing that once you get a design and you start adding your artistic, creative flair to it, do you know how far you can take something? You can, oh my God, with the designs that I'm giving you, run wild, girls, run wild. Yay, how cute are these? I hope you guys are enjoying this. This will be part of that monthly giveaway. You know, all the cards I make on the weekend. At the end of the month, we're going to... One lucky winner is going to win them all. One lucky person. Ta-da! Look at that. I love the way this came out. How funny is this? It went from being blah to being whoa. How cute. And honestly, I think it needs a ribbon. I want it to have a ribbon. Why do I want it to have a ribbon? Now that I have those colors, I want it to have a ribbon. And you know what? No. Hold on. Let's see what we have here. We can do the green. Oh, we can do the green. So check this out. I know that I stuck my dimensionals down first, but I didn't use a dimensional right in the middle. So I'm just going to slide this through. Ta-da! Look at this. Bear with me, guys. Bear with me. I just want to give it just a cute little crisscross. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it. Just, and you can make your crisscross grow any way. How stinking cute. All right, now to tuck them in, I'm going to use more adhesive, more dimensionals. So I think that will just be easier. Let's see how I do this. Yay, 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 yay. In fact, that one's actually sticking. So what I'll do is I'll hold this up. I'm going to lay that in there. Right? I'm going to pull this one up. Tuck it in. And it grabbed. Look at that. Now we'll do the same to that side. Ha ha. Love those aha moments. Love them, love them, love them. So we'll put this in first. And what's nice about me doing this, I'll make the mistakes and you'll fix them. Okay, hold on. Look at that. Very, very happy. All right, so there's card number 1. Yay, we're done. No overkill, no overthinking. Nope, 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 nope. All right, let's clean off this desk and I'll show you the second part. So if you have a Cricut, right, this is already 8.5 by 11 cut in half. So I'm just going to fold that. Now I haven't made these cards. I'm doing it on the fly with you. I designed them on the computer, and then I figured I would work them with you all. Scraps, scraps, scraps. Just get my stuff out of the way. Now, this is the cut file from the Cricut. And this is how I thought. T H A N K S. All right. I actually cut it twice. Don't mind me. Now we're going to use wet glue. Only because it's going to give us so much more how cool would it be if we started from the back and worked our way up with dimensionals? Like I said, I didn't do this, so let's figure this out. We'll add some art glitter glue, or whatever your favorite wet glue is. I am going to line it up on this side of the card. Actually, the card can be opened. So if you have a Cricut, you would have cut this out from the file I give you. If you don't have a Cricut, you're going to fussy cut it. And cut it by hand. And then you can get the same thing. If not, just use this file and you'll have a flat version. So, let's figure out K. Do I want to put it up on a dimensional or don't I? Oh. No mistakes involved here. I'm sure you guys are all going, no, not the K yet, not the K. Do the S. We're going to keep it flat. We're going to keep it flat. That's what we're going to do. Same card, different look. And it's amazing how you can have the same items and come up with something totally different. Okay, now we're on to the K. There you have it. I hope you like this. I hope you enjoy this. And you guys have a blessed day. And I will see you real soon. Bye.